Hello and welcome to Really Arabic. We continue with the Arabic alphabet, and today we are going to talk about the letter number 26, letter H or Ha. H in English, of course, and Ha. Ha, this is the letter name in English, and this is the letter name in Arabic. And as we said, this is the equivalent of letter H in English. Okay, so this letter I consider it the most difficult letter in Arabic for non-Arabs because it has so many shapes. So this is like a shape-shifting letter, but with some practice you will be able to do it. So let's see, in the isolated form, this letter has two types or two shapes. Unlike any other letter, normally in the isolated form it has only one. This has two. The most famous one, or let's say the official one, it has like a circle in the middle and then one line on top. How we write it? We just come like this, then we build a circle in the middle, and when we go left. Okay, as we said, the isolated form has two shapes. We will see that this one comes at the end of a letter, at the end of any word, if the previous letter cannot be connected. We'll see some examples. So let's practice now with the official one. So this is the most popular one. Okay, let's write it one more time. We just build like a, if you build it like this is exactly the same as letter Dal, if you remember. Then what we do, we just build one circle which touch the previous part, and then goes left. So one more time, let's say we do it like this. First step, second step, like this. Okay, this letter has two hands, so can be connected from both sides. So in the initial form, the original one, in the medial form, you can imagine the infinity shape. So how we do it, we just go like this, then up, one more down, and left. Okay, in the final form, this can be of two types, as we said. This is the connected one. So if the previous letter can be connected, so simply this letter offer his hand. So we go like this, and then half of this infinity shape. Okay, if the previous letter is cannot be connected, then we go with this one. Just an example, the word miyah in Arabic means waters. This is alif, and if you remember, alif cannot be connected with the next letter. In this case, we cannot build the word with this shape, so we have just to drop the isolated form in the non-connected shape. So now we have how many variants? This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 variants for this shape. Let's practice one more time. In the initial form, like this. In the medial form, remember the infinity, one up, one down, and left. In the final form, connected, like this. And in the final form, not connected, simply a circle on the line. Okay, one last time, because it's a little bit complicated. Infinity shape, connected at the end, and not connected at the end. Okay, the sound, as we said, this is the equivalent of letter H. Say like in hollow, hollow. So this is always the how we pronounce H. Hollow, ha. Okay, let's practice now with the diacritical marks. Simply we use the standard form. Ha, hu, he, ha, hu, he. One more time, ha, hu, he. Keep in mind, as we said before, this critical mark, the critical mark can be on any shape of this. If I put it like this, for example, medial form, I put fatha, then it is ha, exactly the same as this one, ha and ha. The only difference is the location within a word. Same as the end. For example, if I put it with the final form and I put dhamma, then hu, or could be like this with hu. So dhamma on the final form, dhamma on the final form, dhamma on the standard form. Okay, same for the kasra, just to practice. He, or could be he, or simply like this, he. So this is he, and this is he. Okay? With the long vowels, then the sound will be longer. So ha, hu, he, ha, hu, he, like a laugh. Ha, hu, he. Okay? So quick recap with the sound with the critical marks. Ha, hu, he. With the long vowels. Ha, hu, he. And that's it for letter Ha. See you in the next one.